When it came time to find a new case for my iPhone 15 Pro, I was looking for a high-end solution and an everyday solution. Love that this one does have the MagSafe for the magnetic connection to multiple devices in the car as well as power strips. Also love that this one has the raised edge on the camera. So that provides that protection to those precious cameras, which is the reason most people buy the phone in the first place. Raised lip does extend slightly over the edge of the phone and helps with that protection as well. All of the holes line up well with the speakers and are all integrated, meaning all of these buttons are actually fully integrated into the plastic, helping for long-term protection for the volumes and your power on and off as well. This does have a slight give to it, which is a little bit different than other cases that I have. It has the rounded edges with that little bit of flex and give, so it's easier to put on and off the case, but that it has been military grade tested to 10 feet. It's done the 10,000 drop test, and the new C4 structure just makes it feel quite durable. As I am not able to get any fingerprints on this. It's also rated as scratch resistant and color fade resistant. That is helpful because some cases I've had in the past have shown that slight yellowing. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. I'm quite impressed with this, even though it's an affordable case. It's quite durable. Quite interested to see how this thing holds up over the test of time.